Hornyold-Strickland, in-neputi tal-fundatriċi tat-Times Mabel Strickland, tkellem dwar ir-rabtiet kbar li jeżistu bejn id-Deputat Nazzjonalista Mario De Marco u l-eks Direttur Maniġerjali tal-Allied Newspapers Adrian Hillman, illum fl-iżbarra, jaffaċċja akkużi kriminali ta' frodi u ħasil ta' flus. Strickland, li għandu sem ta' 13% fl-Allied Newspapers, saħaq f'intervista esklusiva ma' One News li Hillman u De Marco ilhom ħbieb. Saħaq li r-riżultat tar-rabta bejn il-familja De Marco u Hillman dan tal-aħħar spiċċa fuq il-bord tad-diretturi tal-Allied biex minn hemm Hillman kompla javvanza u laħaq direttur maniġerjali. Strickland li meta feġġew l-allegazzjonijiet ta' frodi fosthom possibilment mal-5 miljun u nofs euro, kien saħaq li tsitu aktar xed titqalleb fil-qabar. Saħaq li Mario De Marco għandu jġor ir-responsabilità bħala wieħed mill-membri tal-Kunsill tal-Fondazzjoni Strickland, ix-Shareholder ewlieni ta' Allied Newspapers tat-Times. Ma' One News, in-neputi ta' Mabel saħaq li t-Times b'reputazzjoni ta' gazzetta indipendenti għandha masqajja politikant li daħħal l-isħabu fit-Times.
I'm also concerned, of course, that she was trying to keep it independent, but here on the board is a serving nationalist minister, or shadow minister now, who's a politically exposed person. He shouldn't be anywhere near the foundation. And obviously he has had many years, along with his father, to put in their own friends.
Strickland spiega dak li sejjaħ bħala kontroll enormi li għandu d-Deputat Nazzjonalista fit-Times.
So is it true that De Marco holds enormous control at the Times?
Indirectly, yes, no question. He is one of the 5 council members of the Strickland Foundation. He's the key council members. In my opinion, the others do more or less what they're told. He is also the legal advisor to the company, which gives him, I dare say, a nice salary. His employee, Clinton Kalea, is also the company secretary of the company, is the chief legal officer internally. There's enormous control. I mean, as a legal advisor, you're involved in anything that the board asks you to give advice on, which would be any capital purchases, any sales of assets. Strickland House was sold, Canberra House was sold. Any purchase of machinery, such as this.
Hornyold-Strickland żied jgħid li jekk dawn l-allegazzjonijiet serji jiġu pruvati, De Marco għandu jirreżenja għaliex kien hu primarjament li ħatar fost oħrajn lil Hillman bħala direttur maniġerjali tal-kumpanija tat-Times. Hillman ġie estradit lejn Malta u fl-ewwel seduta tal-kumpilazzjoni fil-qorti, il-Maġistrat Donatella Frendo Dimek poġġietu taħt akkuża wara li ntqal li tresqu biżżejjed provi kontrih. Fil-qorti ntqal li allegatament Hillman ħab mod sigriet mal-1 miljun euro fi flus, possibilment fuq negozju dwar magna tal-istampar.